Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how you can create a system restore point on your Windows system. So suppose you are having a problem with your Windows system and it's not booting properly or some functions are not working. So if you created a restore point previously, you can revert all the changes to that restore point. So how to create that? Let me show you. First of all, we have to click on this PC option. We have to right click and properties. If you don't see this option on your PC, you can do two things. First of all, right click on the background, analyze, then theme, then desktop icon setting. You can just enable this option, then apply. If you apply and OK, this option will appear over here, or you can go to here, then click on this PC and properties. Okay, over here it will give you the basic information of your system, like what is your system name, what is your processor details, how many RAM you have, how many GB RAM you have, okay, etc, etc. What is the edition of your operating system? As you can see, I'm using Windows 10 Enterprise. Okay, so we have to click over here, system protection. If you click over here, this particular box will appear, and on this section, system protection, we have to make sure that system protection is turned on. As you can see on the C drive, as you know that our operating system always load on the C drive, so we have to create it on C drive. So if this option is not turned on, you can just simply turn it on over here. Just click on the disk, then configure. You can select this turn on system protection, then you can allocate how many GBs of storage you want to provide, max usage, then apply and OK. Now once the protection is turned on, you just click on this disk, then create. Now I'm going to create one more, let's say today. You can give any name which is comfortable with you and create. It's creating the restore point. So whenever you are facing any problem with the operating system, okay, as you can see, it's done. It's saying the restore point was created successfully. So as I was saying, if you face any issue with your system any time of the moment, you can just simply restore it to the previous version. As you can see, it's saying that you can undo the system changes by reverting your computer to a previous restore point. Just click over here if you wanted to restore it. It's giving you the information that system restore can help you fix your problem that might be making your computer run slow or stop responding. System restore does not affect any of your documents, picture or other personal data. Means if you do this, it will not delete any file that you have, like your Excel file, your PDF file, any data, it will not remove them. Recently installed program and driver might be uninstalled. Means if you installed any program, like if you install Chrome or something else, okay, right now, but when you created that restore point, that time that particular system particular software was not installed, so it might be get uninstalled. So next, as you can see, I have multiple restore point over here, so you can just select it in which restore date you want to restore your system and just next. If you do that, your system will be reverting to that particular date. Thank you so much. If you find this video helpful, please help me with subscribing my channel. Thank you so much.